Hi guys, if you want to practice precision entries while backtesting, FX Replay allows you to place the realistic limit orders directly on the chart. So if you want to try FX Replay yourself, there is also a 15% discount link available in the description box below. So here in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set a limit order step by step. So first of all, you need to come here on fxreplay.com. Afterwards, when you log in into your account, you just have to simply open the chart in front of you just like so. Now, when the chart is launched, you are going to see the buy and the sell buttons available here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. So over here, first of all, you just have to enter the amount of quantity. After entering the amount of quantity, you just have to simply place the buy and the sell order. So here, let's say I want to place the sell order. You will also see this please place order button over here. So you can select this option and then you can select the option of sell. After that, in the type, you can select the option of limit. Now over here, select the option of lot size, then select the option of your entry price. So let's say my entry price is 4270. And now once you have done that, simply select the option of save. And as soon as you select the option of save, you are going to see your placed order over here on the chart. So when the candles reach to that particular level, your order will be placed and it will be shown over here on the chart. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.